What's up, YouTube? Bam Blam Sam here with 50/50 Fishing. We're back here getting bait. We're gonna do another night fishing trip. We're gonna camp too. We're looking for flatheads. Look at all that bait out there. Those are ski bugs or bait, something. Anyways, we're targeting flathead. Hopefully we catch something. Come along with me, friends, and see what we can catch. Bam Blam. No, there's fucking logs right there.
They're not anything. Dude, I thought that was coming off.
All right, guys, I got it set up. It's me, Will, and Frank again. He had to go back to the truck for something I don't know what for. I'm falling. I got him, guys. Dinner's served, guys. Sorry about the low video quality. Ooh, it's not even worth eating. Do you want a bigger hook?
Man, I'm about to move my pole down there. I mean, literally run into the spot that I need to go. Well, I got to the deep water.
He's got one reeling, guys. It's peeling too.
Wow, it is killing. Ready? Wow!
Whoa! It's got that rod bent over. He had a 20-pounder the other day. Didn't have it bent over that bad, y'all.
Whoa! It is taking drag. Wow!
Bam Blam, 50/50 Fishing. He's probably got his personal best on another fish, y'all.
Wow!
This is probably a world record gar, guys.
Wow! Wow!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Dude, those head shakes. Woo! Dude, that walk down here across this stretch strip raft was worth it. Whoa!
No! Still got him?
Yeah.
You just catching him?
Yeah.
Don't lose tension, buddy. He started coming our way. Please don't lose him. We don't have a net, and it's deep right there, so.
It is really deep. He's coming up. He's like right here.
How big is it?
Well, I don't know. He's taking off again. Holy cow, that's a big blue.
It's our right size blue, guys. Here, hold this for me. Oh, that's pretty big, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's, whoa! Whoa, it's huge. Whoa. Whoa.
That's like a 30, 40, 50 pounder, ain't it?
Yeah, ow.
Wow. Oh, I brought the gloves, but I forgot to put them in my kayak. Hold him there in the shallow water. I'm gonna go get the gloves. And the scale. And the scale. And the measure. Okay.
I don't have the hook out of him.
Do you want my pliers?
Oh,
wow, dude, did you get that on camera? What do you think? What do you think, buddy? What do you think? That is huge. That is a... Right.
Now hold her out like and...
Okay. Okay, here, I got good footing. Okay. Heck yeah, she's a big... Oh, there she goes. What do we got? 3 ounces, awesome.
New personal best, Will?
Yes, that is my new biggest blue. Oh, dude, I wasn't even holding her.
Whoa. There she goes, live and healthy. I seen her. She was holding herself up by your MFing thumb, bro.
29 pounds, 3 ounces. Dude, thing is, I had these gloves on with the rubber all the way around.
Found it, bro.
Yeah. Oh, dude, that is awesome. Like,
he's getting a bite, guys. This is what could he get tuna. This dude is hungry. Look how hungry this guy is, guys.
look, if your crackers are already crumbled up, you just dump them in your package of tuna.
He's pulling. Oh, he's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
He's heavy, guys.
Frank, what is it?
It's heavy. Bam blam, guys. Woo! Well, I was getting disappointed too because William's catching all the fish. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy, guys. Oh. How big is it, Will? It's a flathead. Woo!
All right, get him up there. That looks like about a 1,500 quid, Frank. Here we get the scales.
Woo! Yeah! Bam-a-lam! Boy, their friggin' teeth are sharp. I'm glad y'all guys don't bite like those other ones.
We'll get the scale and the measuring board.
Oh.
Damn, I took out my leg.
You okay?
Oh, I got my tendon. My Achilles tendon.
I seen it coming down. I got that on video, dude. How much do you think this weighs?
I don't know. I'll go get this.
I'll go get it. Probably 10 pounds, 15 pounds.
I'm thinking like 15, 16 pounds.
Dude, they fight hard.
They do. Your pole bent over. Get, Frank.
I love flathead fishing, dude.
Oh, it's a nice one.
You stay right here, buddy. I'll be right back. How bad is your legs? How bad is that? That was a rock slide, bro. That could have broke you bad.
I know. Oh no! Oh no! 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 He's gone. I almost fell down trying to keep him in.
Did you get it on film at least?
Yes, I was pointing at it, but the screen's blank, but I'm pretty sure it's recording still.
Yeah, it's recording. All right, guys. Woo! That sucker escaped. I don't know if we got any of that on film. I just hired a new cameraman. Anyways, that sucker found the water. I had him on the bank. He found the water. He just escaped.
So no weight.
So he only weighed 45, and
I think you're pointing it up too high. Maybe not.
Anyways, he weighed about 25, 26, maybe half that. I don't know. Anyways, y'all seen it. It was good. Bam blam, flathead Sam. Wow, bro.
You got a good one. Does that make you feel pretty good?
Yes, it makes me ecstatic. Yours was twice, if not double that one, or triple that one size. Do I got any bait left? Look at that. He hit that fucking gut meat too. That shit everybody just throws in the water when they get it on there.
Yeah, kayak catfish saving that bait.
Oh shit, that went down. Oh, here, hold this. I gotta get that.
This one closer to it. That'll stay. That'll stay. Here.
Be careful, dude, though. Okay, it's still on there. I'm about to fall in. Oh, careful.
Okay.
Oh, you really need a light to get around down here. It's the one closest to us.
There he is. He's going again. He's going again. He's on.
This one? This one?
Yeah. Get him. Oh. Oh yeah. You got him.
It's a little one.
That's a keeper. That's an eater.
It could be a gar though too.
No, he's actually too small to be an eater.
I'm gonna throw him back out as.
You can't. I think he's too small to even keep, isn't he?
There's no limit, size limit.
On blues?
No.
How many can you keep? 5?
15 channel cats and 15 blues apiece. These are game fish. You can only keep 5 flathead, which are not game fish. What kind of sense does that make?
Yeah, it wasn't video recording.
Yeah, it's recorded. Got his eyeball. I'm good at taking fish's eyes. Woo! Bam lamb is a little one, but that tug-a-roo is fun. Bam lamb. Camp time for the night. This is what we're dealing with. That's Will's. Looking tight.
What was that?
We're on sleeping for the night. Not. We'll see you in the morning. Guys, we got a fish, baby. Will. The Pope took me out, dude. Good?
Yeah. Pretty good. 618. Oh, you got it.
It's big too. Oh yeah. Big. Bam lamb, guys. Pretty good size. Oh, it don't want to come to the top, bro. It's pulling drag.
Be careful.
It's not that big. It's probably 10 pounds, probably.
Yeah.
It's a flathead.
Let's keep it for breakfast. Do a test.
It's a channel cat.
Let's do a test. Blue and channel cat.
Ow! No, no. I got him, guys. Got him by the tail. By the freaking tail. Woo! Oops. Sorry, buddy. That him up. Yeah. That's like a state record for the tail cat, y'all. Woo! Bam lamb. I'm probably my new personal best channel rat. My channel rat. We keeping him?
Yeah, keep him. I'll cook him in the morning.
Go ahead and reel that one closest to you in. Be careful though, because it is. I might get some more shut-eye, dude.
Damn.
Yeah, there's one on there, dude. Watch my bell. Tighten up the drag. No, mine was way bigger than that. That was like a 3-pounder, dude.
Check her out, people. The kayak on the spout block. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Oh, there it went. Yeah, flatheads weigh a lot more.
8 pounds, I told you, man. I was dead on.
Hey, the flatheads weigh a lot more than blues.
8 pounds.
Why is that? Look at how cool they look, guys. Boom. Here. It's a rain and pour, so we're packing up and getting out of here as quick as we can. Watch out, Frank. Here I come. Hang on, Frank. Rain and water pushed us off the rain and lightning. Rain and water. Rain and lightning pushed us off the water today. We were going to spend 2-3 days out here camping, cooking, getting our grub on, our camp on, but weather didn't let us. It didn't permit us to, so we're heading out early. The video had fish in the video. That makes it a fishing video in the words of Catfish Dave. It's the brothers 50-50 fishing signing out with another one. Bam blam. Oh, or at least my kayak got away from me. Then I had to go chase it.